Hello and good evening to you from Durban, South Africa, and good morning and good afternoon to you wherever in the world you are. My name is Dr. Ismail. I work with Michael Williams, and I'm a strong proponent of his Pro 90D system. So I have a question for you. Have you ever thought why is it that you speak fluently, smoothly, and eloquently in certain speaking situations, whilst in other speaking situations you have a problem, you get blocked, you get stuck, whatever the case may be, you're going to struggle. Have you ever thought about that? Yet the neurology is exactly the same in each of those speaking situations. Your neurological apparatus is exactly the same, but your response in each of those speaking situations is different. Have you ever thought why that would be the case? Well, the answer is actually very simple, and it's all to do with mindset. Mindset is probably and arguably the most important component in this journey of yours to smooth speech. It all starts with mindset. And if you go back and look at your own experience, you will realize that on a day that you feel confident, that you are happy with yourself, that you are in equilibrium with your surroundings, you're probably going to have a very good speaking day. Whereas in another situation, another day that you feel negative about yourself, where there are other external factors that are influencing you, you're probably not going to have such a great speaking day. So it all begins with mindset. And having a confident mindset, what we call a confident, smooth speaker's mindset, is a critical cog and component of the smooth speaking process. Yes, skills, techniques, and tips, and all of that are extremely important because that is where you start off from and you get a lot of success from that. But if you really want to achieve your highest level of speech, creative speech, articulate speech, automatic speech, where you are now creative and you can do whatever you want and you can speak in any pressure, high pressure, middle pressure, whatever the case may be. For you to achieve that, you have to consistently achieve a confident, smooth speaker's mindset. Now, how do you do that? How do you achieve that? Well, it's a few ways. The first way, you have to affirm yourself every single day, like it's done in the Pro 90 system. So the Pro 90D system gives you a roadmap on how to achieve a confident mindset and consistent mindset. So you have to do affirmations every single day. The second thing you have to do is you have to accumulate your successful speaking experiences. You've got to accumulate that. You've got to create memories in your mind so that you can always fall back on that. So in that speaking situation, I was successful, and that has to counteract what other disfluent experiences you might have had. So yes, I do understand there is a conflict, but the more you accumulate your successful speaking experiences, the more it will override your disfluent experiences. Okay, and the third is to follow a pattern or a process, right? And the Pro 90D system gives you that roadmap. If you consistently follow it in immersion every day, listening to audios, informal training, formal training, you will inherit a confident and consistent mindset. A confident mindset, yes. So what Michael has done now, he has proposed a program, a 6-week program about how to develop a confident, smooth speaker's mindset. And I am going to be there. I'm going to be part of that system. And I'm also going to contribute. And it is focused to that. Yes, the Pro 90D system is going to give you a confident, smooth speaker's mindset. But this program is focused solely on that. And I think it's very, very important. So if you're a professional or if you are professionally minded and you want to speak consistently well under all circumstances, low pressure, high pressure, middle pressure, extreme high pressure, whatever the case may be, in impromptu presentations, in formal presentations, where you're not worried that you're going to get stuck, you're not worried that you're going to block and all of that, and where you want to develop this consistent mindset, we invite you to join this new program of Confident Smooth Speech with Michael Williams. And I'm absolutely sure it's going to help you. Thank you. It was great speaking to you, and I'll speak to you later.